Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here with a video for you today. And look, this is what you're looking at now is the cover of a very powerful tool that we use for the Easy 20 Now program. And as you can see, it says pre-written ad copy. Okay, and here's the cover of the I guess it's an ebook. Okay. And this is something I use all the time, but I want you to notice something. It says use these ads to promote the Easy 20 Now or any business. Folks, they've put something incredible here that can be used with any business that you operate, particularly the Easy 20 Now opportunity. Okay, now, if you look here for me, it says this booklet is a product of the Easy 20 Now. Okay, it cannot be given away for free and can only be sold through the promotion of Easy 20 Now. As an Easy 20 Now affiliate, you will earn unlimited $20 commissions on each sale. So I want you to think about that for a moment as we move forward, okay? Okay, I have just a few quick questions for you. One is, do you have $30 one time out of pocket, or $29.95? Okay, $29.95 out of pocket one time. Do you have, or would you put aside 20 minutes per day? Okay, and do you have a desire to make $200 per day? Okay, and these are the things that will help you to become a success in this opportunity. Okay, stay with me for the next minute. All right.
Hi, and welcome to the world's best and most effective way to make money online. This brand new website package is a powerful income generation system that will keep $20 payments to you coming in over and over again. Here's how it works. You simply buy the Easy 20 Now package one time for $20 and then sell it as many times as possible for $20 each. It's that simple. This is not a multi-level pyramid or matrix program. This is your very own reseller site, which includes advertising and marketing materials. Your site, exactly like this one, will automatically sell $20 packages for you 24 hours a day, and you keep all the profits. If you've ever wanted to own a website or an online business, but just haven't had the ideas, experience, or know-how, Easy 20 Now is the best place to start.
Okay, in closing this video, you could potentially make $200 a day, okay? If you have about 20 minutes per day and a desire to do so, you could do very well with this low cost, high profit potential opportunity. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video and get started. It's only $30 one time out of pocket, or $29.95. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. You be blessed. Bye-bye.